guys, welcome back to Neurotic Wellness. I wanted to do a quick unboxing for you today of the DoNotAge sachets from DoNotAge.org. A couple of you guys were asking for it, and so I wanted to run through it real quick before I head out for a trip. So let's get right into it. All right, so it comes in this cool box, which is quite large, and right off the bat, to the left here, you have your fun shaker bottle, which is super nice, that you're gonna use to shake up your product in. And then we have some information, really cool letter from Alan, which is really awesome. Tells you all about the product. Next, you're gonna have some instructions on how to actually use the product. Super great. And then my favorite part is this 90-day tracker, which is super awesome because you get a fun little DNA stamp that you can use to keep track of your progress over 90 days. I know a couple of you guys has talked to me about having some trouble staying consistent, so this will definitely help you out. So that's fun. Next, we have this awesome box where you can store your sachets in. And your sachets fit in there perfectly. Let me show you. Perfect. And then that just lives on top of your counter or wherever you store your supplements. And then obviously you have your bag of 29 sachets. It says 28 on the bag, but I believe that there's actually 29 in there. So that's that. And then on the back, obviously there's information and then all the 15 different ingredients that are in the sachets. So yeah, guys, this product, once again, it is $203, and that's about $4 a day, or sorry, $7 a day. You're saving about 70% is on purchasing this, as opposed to buying all the ingredients separately. So it's an amazing deal, especially if you've been kind of dying to try a bunch of the products from DoNotAge.org. And it's on a subscription model. So it's billed every 4 weeks, and you can obviously cancel that at any time. And if you're interested in checking out this product or signing up for the subscription, make sure to click the link in the show notes of this video or in my link tree in my bio, and that's how I get commission. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments. And yeah, you guys have a good day, and remember, stay well.